Archangel Michael, merging into the crystalline 5D light grid. Via Michael Love. February 7, 2016. Website: projectfreedomearth.com. Produced by Higher Self.
Moment by moment we are creating a new crystalline light grid which operates at a higher frequency than the old electromagnetic grid, the matrix, in which humankind have maintained their consciousness connection for the past 350,000 years. The crystalline light grid is part of our new consciousness matrix. It is a manifestation of our evolutionary process and the patterned growth of universal consciousness. We are all co-creators of this crystal matrix of diamond light energy. It is a self-operating and self-sustaining system of communication and energy transfer. It is strengthened as more and more people connect into it. Its potential is infinite. As light beings, we channel inward great flows of cosmic divine energy with the capacity to direct this light outward through directed meditative thought for the highest good. By unifying our energies in synchronized states we form a powerful light vortex. This energy can cleanse, brighten, energize, heal, and activate each one of us, according to our intent and flow. Our intent is light of the highest order, transferred to the new grid. Millions of light beings are now here creating and holding the connection of the higher frequencies and to each other. At the same time, we are anchoring the ley lines and grid points. All of this is occurring on a multidimensional level. We are literally opening a new space or portal here where this high-frequency grid is overlaid onto the old electromagnetic grid, allowing a higher consciousness to permeate everything and everyone. To ascend to higher frequencies, our Merkaba, the light body ship, is required for us to evolve into crystalline form, creating harmonic resonation to be able to access the new grid. Once we tap in and are fully connected, the grid activates us and itself in the process. We send out a worldwide call for unification in our efforts to co-create a planetary civilization of light and galactic society. The time has come for us to truly clarify and embody the concept of unification in order to synchronize our heart-mind intent into one giant network of divine intent. By understanding that we all are on the same mission with our individual focus and roles, we work towards a conscious transformation of our individual efforts into one collective and very influential energy matrix. Our unification on the planetary crystalline grid allows us to continuously receive and exchange information in absolute knowing, which is essential to accelerating our evolution as a species and in alignment with the greater plan. As each of us enlists our services with the unified collective, we reinforce this planetary network of light while fostering the creation of the intergalactic bridge. The goal of the massive harmonic resonant field created through our grid unification is to amplify the power of light on Earth to such a degree that the resultant global shift in frequency will eliminate all major conflict and destructive energy in and among our population. Moreover, this extraordinary field of unification creates an influential force field capable of healing and transforming the multitude and reaching into every corner of the world. The crystalline grid links all the crystals in the Earth and crosses major portals, vortexes, and dimensional doorways that connect the Earth to cosmic forces and other dimensional worlds. This elaborate geometric grid was also known to the ancients, and is why many of the world's pyramids, religious sanctuaries and mystical sites coincide with its lines. It is through this geodesic, holographic crystalline matrix that the new Earth consciousness paradigm is anchored. We are the bridge that completes this galactic circuitry. We give great gratitude to the many beings who have contributed to the repair and reactivation of this grid structure, which, some people say, was previously used during the time of Atlantis to support its higher dimensional existence. This grid is increasingly charged as more of us connect to and merge into this multidimensional expansive energy. We, as the human portals and radiators of this grid and crystalline energy, can direct tremendous amounts of transforming energy from the grid to certain people, places, and events. We can also be charged and recharged with endless energy as we connect into the grid and go about our mission in the outer world. The grid is a storehouse of the entire knowledge of this universe and holds the template for the new Earth energetics. By synchronizing our thoughts and heart intentions onto the grid, this creates a unified harmonic frequency that connects our collective higher light into one force field. Examples of how to use the grid: to send love and healing to others, to heal oneself, to instantly connect with other individuals and groups, to assist with personal and planetary transformation, to activate latent coding, to access the universal language of light, to develop and transmit telepathic communication, to link the world into unity consciousness, to develop skills in expanded consciousness, to communicate more easily with other dimensional light intelligences, to use as an entry and exit point for interdimensional travel, to embody absolute knowing. In this new consciousness matrix, we have easier access to all knowledge and to unlimited energy. We open up to our highest divine human potential. We become energy alchemists and masters of manifestation. As one unified light beam. By connecting to the grid daily and using this as our bridge into the new Earth reality, we will make a profound and accelerated impact upon our individual process, planet Earth, and that of the mass awakening of humanity. Great love and light, Archangel Michael.